Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope all is well. Today I'm going to be making a very special item called the masala puff. My mother-in-law taught me how to make it, and it was actually the first item I learned how to make of the Indian cuisine. You can make many variations of this by simply adding a different type of filling. Most of all, I love this since it mixes both of my favorites, Indian cuisine and baking. From the crispiness of the puff and the tasty filling, what's not to love? I'm very excited to show everyone this mouth-watering snack, so let's get started.
Let's get right into the ingredients. 1 box of puff pastry sheets, which are located in the freezer section at your local grocery store. 4 medium gold potatoes, peeled, rinsed, and cut into large pieces. 1/2 cup of red onions. 1/4 cup peas. 1 teaspoon Thai chilies. 1½ teaspoon garlic paste. 1 teaspoon ginger paste. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. First things first, add in the potatoes. Add the peas. And 1½ cups of water with a pinch of salt to a pressure cooker on high heat. As you all know, this is my special pressure cooker. 1 or 2 whistles is all you need, or boil them in water on the stovetop. Once the potatoes and peas are cooked, drain them and get ready to start smashing. On medium heat, add 2 or 3 tablespoons of oil to the pan. Wait for the oil to heat up. Add in the cumin seeds. Cumin seeds are sizzling, add in the onion. Add garlic paste. Add ginger paste. Add chilies. And a pinch of salt. Mix in well. Now for my favorite part, masala time. 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder. 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of Pav Bhaji Masala. Something about the Pav Bhaji Masala that goes excellently with potatoes, that's why I'm including it. Give it a good mixing and cover. Now that the onions have been liking their sauna, they should be looking translucent. Add in the smashed potatoes and peas. Add in 1 tablespoon of butter, optional. However, it does give it a nice creamy flavor. As you can see, I'm smashing it into the pan to blend in the spices with the potatoes and peas. Turn off heat, add in cilantro, also optional. I like to include it since it brings some color to the filling. Mix in thoroughly. Let's roll right into the puff pastry. Seeing that, I took the puff pastry out of the freezer when I preheated the oven in the beginning. It gave the dough time to thaw and now it's pliable. Adding a little all-purpose flour to prevent sticking as needed. Carefully start rolling out the dough, applying light pressure to slowly stretch out the dough, trying to keep it in a square shape. However, we don't want to make the dough too thin either. Cut the dough into 4 smaller squares. I'm going to be making some triangle and rectangle shapes, so I'm checking which pieces work the best for each shape. Time to add the delicious filling. Level out the filling best as possible. I'm using a fork to crimp the edges to give it a lovely appearance. Before putting these in the oven, first put them in the freezer for 5 minutes. This will cool down the butter in the dough, so when it's baking, the butter won't melt as quickly, which will give us the desirable flaky layers. Place them on the baking tray as so, making sure they are not touching each other. 2 of them I'm brushing with milk on top. The other 2 I will be brushing them with melted butter. The reason why I'm using both is to show you the different options. Milk adds a smooth brown color, while the butter adds more flavor. In the oven they go. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes. Look at that crispiness. Time to plate these puffs.
I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the perfect snack for everyone. I know all who gives it a try will be very delighted. Let me know in the comments of any dishes you would like me to make. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, click on the bell icon for my upcoming videos. And of course, until next time, I will see you guys on my next video.